This time on Food Trolls Kitchen, we will make roast gyoza. I will tell you later in the video why it is called gyoza and not simply a momo or dumpling. Take a cup of boiling water and add 6 to 7 drops of red food color in it. On a separate bowl, take 2 cups of refined flour and pour the colored water in it. Now knead the dough. But if you are new at kneading, I would suggest adding little water at a time. You can always manage later by adding more flour. After it's done, you will keep it aside for about 15 minutes. Cover it with a damp cloth. Moving on to the stuffing. Take a piece of fresh green cabbage and cut it into chunks like this. We need to turn cabbage into finely chopped shreds. You can either use a machine or chop it with a knife. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon salt over it and mix it well. After everything is properly mixed, let it rest for about 30 minutes. The salt will have drained the water from the cabbage. Drain it and squeeze out the excess water. Next comes the minced chicken. You will need about 200 grams of it. Take 3 good looking onions and 4 to 5 green chilies. The onion and chilies need to be finely chopped as well, just like the cabbage. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly crushed ginger and sprinkle some salt. Crush about 1 teaspoon of black pepper and add it to the stuffing. There's absolutely no substitute for freshly crushed black pepper. Wouldn't you agree? Now mix the stuffing thoroughly. Add a slab of butter. I am taking 1 teaspoon. Let's bring Mr. Dough into the picture now. Before using, knead it once more for about 5 minutes. And divide the whole thing into 5 portions. Roll the dough thinly and dust off the excess flour. Using a bowl, cut out small circles. In length, they should be around 6 to 7 centimeters. Repeat the same for the other dough balls. You will need 3 circles for each roast gyoza. Keeping the first as it is, roll the other 2 in incremental sizes. Like this. Place each of them at the center of the circle before it, as shown here. Put the stuffing carefully like this through the middle. Now, very gently, one by one, fold them like this. Press and close both the edges. Now, artfully, you will roll the circles like this. Be careful so that you don't press out the stuffing. Make it blossom by stretching open the petals. Now, when a dumpling or a momo is first seared with oil before being cooked in water, it is called a gyoza. After some time, add in half a cup of water and simmer them for about 5 minutes. Use a spoon to gently remove onto a plate. Take a cup of water in a bowl and mix refined flour in it. Make sure it is properly dissolved before moving on to the other ingredients to avoid lumps. Add a tablespoon of corn flour and mix well. Throw half a teaspoon salt, half a tablespoon oil, half a tablespoon vinegar, and 8 to 9 drops of green color. Mix everything thoroughly. In a skillet, heat up 1 teaspoon refined oil. Take 3 ladles of green flour solution and cook it for about 8 minutes on low flame. And we are done. Just place the gyozas on the flour carpet and make it look like a delicious garden. Enjoy it with chili sauce or any other hot sauce of your choice. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more unique recipes like this.